Lots of Glock, they gon' spray. We outside today, he blinky boy, he motion blade. Posted with these blinky baby. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Herbo. We back with another video. As y'all see by the title, yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Yeah. Let shit that. I'm starting to look wild as hell, man. Ain't nothing but this. So I don't even do all that. You feel me? I don't even do all that. Just because nigga got more hair than your mama. You feel me? Chill out. You feel me? I'm just playing. But yeah, man, y'all already see what's going on. I'm finna go pay some. I'm finna go pay some. You feel me? Just so I can. You feel me? 16. 3 more days. You feel me? So I need y'all to count down with me. 24 hours. 48 hours. What come out to 48? Shit, I don't know.
Yeah, nigga, I'm a slimy nigga screaming for 12. Yeah, I'm a hot nigga, see your ass to hell.
But yeah, man, y'all already know what's going on. Y'all just stay tuned for the day, man. I gonna tell them what we gonna get into, cause we don't plan shit. You feel me? I'm gonna tell y'all how to go with life. Don't plan shit. I don't plan that. I just go with the flow. If I feel like I'm finna go somewhere, get what? I'm gonna go. You feel me? So you already know what's going on. But hold up, my boy Walk calling me. Hold up. All right, y'all. So what y'all didn't know is, so y'all know Tyga bought a new Glock, right? Now let me tell you how fucked up people is. So Tyga had his gun in the shop for 3 weeks. They've been telling Tyga he missing parts. He gotta pay this. He gotta wait this long. He gotta do this and that. Then they gave him the wrong parts of the name, like the wrong name for the parts. You feel me? For his Glock. He only missing the spring, the spring for the slide. They go on the side. You feel me? This was it. I brand this in there to him. They said this wasn't a part. Tyga, they gave Tyga the right part today. This is the 3rd week. They said, call Monday your gun to be ready to be in fit. Call today, they said, oh, you missing more parts. Whole time, it was a part in my car. It was a part, and I ran this in there to them. They said this not the part. But the name they gave Tyga for the part, Tyga went and ordered it the whole time. This was the part. So they ain't know what they were talking about. I knew what I was talking about because I break down the Glocks a lot. Like, I know every piece in the Glock. But they played. They thought Tyga wasn't gonna come back for a gun. You feel me? That's what it was. They thought they giving Tyga parts away. You feel me? They cricket like that. So that's why when I say my gun shop, I got a gun shop with cool people who watch my channel and know my channel. Like, so they when she knew I was looking for an ARP, she called me and was like, look what I got for you. You feel me? So that's why I'm like, I don't need Walter Craig no more. You feel me? I don't need Walter Craig. I stopped going to y'all 5 years ago after I bought my 10mm and my AR, cause y'all act like hoes after that. You feel me? But yeah, we gonna get shit, Tyga shit right. So y'all stay tuned for the gun range video, shooting video. We just waiting till everything get right, cause niggas played, you feel me? But it's all good. Y'all stay tuned for that. Hey baby girl, let me tell you something. I'm gonna make you wait for it just like how some of y'all females make niggas wait for it, you feel me? Cause shit, I know what I'ma do, and I don't need you stuck here, you feel me? Cause I know what I'ma do, and I don't need you to go telling your friends neither, cause they can get it too. Come on. I'm trying to fuck. Paw Patrol, put that boy down. Look. Damn. Why y'all ain't telling my knee with that? What's up? He love trying to hide face with somebody pussy camera on. What's up? Come on. Let go. Come on. Yeah, let's do it. All right, y'all. So we got all the parts for Tyga Glock. We just gotta get one more, and And that's just the spring, you feel me? We had to figure this shit out our fucking self, you feel me? And we go put it back out. And this part was in my car, you feel me? Them folks told him the wrong name when this dude had all his parts already. So they making him order extra shit. Like, they gave him the wrong name to order a trigger housing when I was telling him them nigga was trying to do my boy, but he will be back. We just waiting on the spring to put in the back of the spring right here. The spring go right in there, in that hole in the back of this. Then we put that motherfucker back in here right here for the get this part back. This the only part he will miss. And we were blizzard trying to put a motherfucking on there. And man, so they could drop the fucking spring. But yeah, so yeah, update on Tyga. So we will be in the gun range real soon. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so right now, we at Wing Daily. We at Wing Daily right now. I got to give me a Philly cheesesteak. We finna go hit the block, man. We finna go to the G Street, man. You feel me? We finna go. Well, no, we ain't going there. We finna go to a little barbecue. You feel me? Yeah.
Never got had a little barbecue.
Never got had a little barbecue because we Zot living today. Boy, I need a haircut, but it's coming. It's coming. Y'all stay tuned for that on these nuts. Oh, I love get a little light. No, you remember that Joel Lopez. Alright, y'all. We blizzard as fuck right now, man. You feel me?
What's up, sir?
Woo in the back, man.
Cash out me $30 real quick to my welfare check.
Half a perky, half a zen, and nigga, half time. It taps, yeah.
Hold on, what I need to say?
Who you say, Justin Bieber? Shit, what the fuck is that? Oh, this is another fly. God damn. Hi, y'all. But y'all already know what's going on, man. We chillin', man. Zot living blizzard right now, man. You feel me? Lit up.
Yeah, we out here with fish don't fly and water ain't wet for real. It just look like it.
You too woke.
Yeah.
You too woke.
Yeah.
Man.
See, I'm trying to float like a butterfly because I got somewhere to be. See what I'm saying? Feel me? See, that too much flavor for the neighbor. I don't want him to wake up.
You playing on the TV that'll fall on you and crush your whole fucking back. And then boy got a drugs full of ones ready for the strip club. Call a stack of ones. It's on low got it. Nah. You say you doing what?
I go to the club. Be like,
Shake that ass.
ain't no mistake in her draw.
Give me a draw.
She better have on some warm-up. Eat in a cat.
Look at the game.
Shit, he need help, not me.
Alright, y'all, so I'm so blizzard. I just left Taco Bell and I just got the new freeze, man. That big green and cherry, man. So you feel me? Mixed flavor, man. You feel me? So y'all. I'm blizzard, man. Man, what the fuck is they doing, man? Try to find me some Bluebell eye cream, man. You feel me? So I'm taking it in for the night, man. It's 2 o'clock. No, it's 1 o'clock. Going on 2:50. Well, it's 1:50. You feel me? But that's the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, comment, hit that notification bell, man. Love y'all, man. Keep God in y'all life, man. Y'all already know. Keep doing your thing. Be yourself always. Don't try to force nothing, man. You feel me? Words of DC Herbo, the nigga who been through it all. You dig? Let's get it.
Lots of Glock, they gon' spray. We outside today. He blinking, but he motion blade. Posted with these